Hi Aries, welcome back to my channel. Guys, this is your love and general reading. This is for anybody that is watching this video right now. You could be somebody who has Aries in your sun, moon, rising, Venus and Jupiter signs. You could be a cross watcher, somebody with a different sun sign and yet drawn to this video. So if you're drawn to this video, you may have a message here and this could be your reading, okay? So Aries, let's see what do we have in store for you. We will see your person's energy, your energy, and what's coming up for you next. So let's see guys, what do we have in store for my Aries. Two of Pentacles, the Sun, Ten of Wands, Ten of Cups, Nine of Cups, Five of Cups, the Magician. Okay, we have the Two of Pentacles, the Sun, Ten of Cups, we have the Nine of Cups, Five of Cups and Magician. Lot of love Aries, lot of love. You both love each other a lot. Okay, so let me see your overall energy Aries. Knight of Cups. Bottom of the deck is the Chariot. Okay. Aries, as far as your relationship is concerned, whoever you're dealing with, this person has immense love for you. Immense love. We'll clarify the Two of Pentacles. Yeah. Aries, I feel that your person was juggling you with somebody else in the past. Alright, this person, whoever you're dealing with, this person had choices and they have chosen you. This person, forget about having choices, this person was involved with somebody else. Could be temporary, but this person either was or still is, and they have chosen you. Okay, this person has chosen you. They have taken a lot of time to take this decision. Some of you have kind of given up. This person was your wish fulfillment. You literally wished for a person like this, but things did not work out. Things may have ended between both of you. Okay, some things have come to an end in the past. Like, I do see things coming to an end in the past. This person is somebody, guys, who is choosing you over somebody else. This person may have blocked you in the past. They were not willing to talk. Now this person has realized your value. They are coming back. Expect a communication, expect a call. They're dying to talk to you. This person is dying to have you back in their life. This person has realized that they have done a blunder. For some of you, this person is already chasing you. They're mad. Literally, they're crazy for you. They're chasing you already. Like, but somehow you have love, Aries. You have love, but you're disappointed. Like, you don't trust them. Okay, you are in this place where you don't trust them. Okay, this is a wish fulfillment. Like, you literally wished for this person. You may have prayed to have this person back in your life. This person is that who you literally prayed for at one point in time. This person is your wish fulfillment, Aries. Okay, you wanted this person at one point in time of your life, and this person is there. For some of you, this person is somebody who may have come back in your life. Like, you may have met after many years again. This could be an ex. You know what, guys, you both have immense love for each other. Aries, you both have immense love for each other. You also know that this person has love for you, but yes, because of some things, let me see what was the issue. Things had come to an end in the past for sure. Aries, I think some of you, you literally desire to have some conversation, like you want to sit, talk, discuss. Okay, we have the Chariot and Chariot. Look at this, no joke. The same card twice, the same card twice, and the same reading. Aries, you both want each other. You both. This is not just them, you both want each other. You're determined to be with this person. You both want each other, and I think you're going to come back. This is a divine love, Aries, whoever you're dealing with. Okay, things went sour because one of you was not sure in this relationship, and I feel this was your person who was juggling you with somebody else. This person was not sure. They had choices, or this person could be somebody who was already married in some other relationship when you met them. Whatever is the case, this is a divine connection. You both are coming back together, Aries. Some of you, you're being asked to manifest this person. If the Magician, you're like, you have to manifest this person. Okay, I see that you may have given up hope in this relationship, but you're being asked to be determined, like you are not too sure. Okay, you're not too sure, but somehow I feel with time you're going to get sure about this person. I see that, see, as of today, I feel that you're not very sure about this person. You don't have confidence on this person, but expect a call, expect a communication. This person is coming back with an apology. They are going to try to sort it out between you both, and once they do this, Aries, I see you will be more confident. Right now at this point in time, you're not confident about this person, but slowly, if you see, you're going to get more confident about this person. Okay, some of you, I feel that you want this person, like I literally feel that you both cannot live without each other. This is something, this reading is like screaming that you both are meant to be with each other. Some of you, this could be a complete new relationship, like you may have ended a different relationship to be with this person. That could be the thing. Okay, this is a new person for you, and you are a new person for this person. Like this could be a new relationship for many of you. Okay, let's see what are they thinking about you. What do they want? What are they thinking about you, Aries? Oh shit, look at this. This person is thinking about you 24 hours a day. They may be dreaming to be with you. They are dreaming of marriage, victory. They want you, Aries. They want you. They want to win you by hook or by crook. They want you. Okay. Let's see. Hermit. For some of you, I feel that this person is somebody who has realized a lot during this separation. Okay, with time, this person has changed. They now realize that they have done some mistakes in this relationship with you. They have now realized that they have hurt you in some ways. Okay, this person now realizes that they have hurt you in some way. They miss you. They're thinking about all the good times that you may have spent with each other. This person is sad. They're sad. They're thinking a lot. This person is in hermit mode. They're not happy without you. This person may have isolated themselves. They're not talking to anybody. They're just thinking about you continuously. They're thinking on how to come back to you. This person is thinking on how to have you back in their life. They're not going to leave you, Aries. Okay, not at all. You are their happiness. This person wants to marry you. They're manifesting you. They're praying to be with you. You are the wish fulfillment. This person wants to sit and talk, have heart to heart conversation. This is a mutual energy. You both want each other. You both want to sit and talk. Some of you feel that you're literally waiting for a call or a message from this person, and that is going to happen. Expect a miracle, Aries. This person is going to call, message you, talk to you. Okay, very soon. Alright, so let me see what messages do we have for my singles. Oh my god, singles, you are in love with somebody. Who are you in love with? I think you have choices. Some of you have choices, singles, and for most of you I feel that you are already in love with somebody. Okay, you are literally in love with somebody, and this could be a Gemini, this could be a Sagittarius. See, you're confused. You have choices and you don't know who to choose, singles. This could be a Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Alright, yeah, right when I said Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Some of you have somebody who is being sent to help you. Like this could be somebody at your workplace. Alright, somebody, you may have met this person through work. For some of you I feel that, yeah, you are heading towards a new chapter, major changes. We have the Wheel of Fortune. Things are turning for you in your favor, Aries. Okay, you're being asked to listen to your intuition. You have choices, make the wise one. Alright, this could be a Pisces too for some of you. You have choices, singles. Alright, some of you are still stuck over an ex. You're still missing an ex. Whatever it is, I see major changes in your life, singles. Okay, you're going to go through some major changes very soon. Things are turning in your favor. You may meet a Gemini, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, Sagittarius, Pisces very soon. Either you have met them or you're going to meet this person. Some major changes happening for your own good, like you were literally waiting for this person and this person is coming. You're being asked to put efforts in this relationship, singles. If you have choices, you're being asked to put efforts. Go forward. Don't take too long to decide. Go with your heart. Follow your heart. Yeah. You're still stuck on an ex. You're still thinking about somebody who left you. You are being asked to get out of this. Okay. What else? For the others of you who are in the stable connection, I feel that most of you're dealing with a Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, a Leo. You could be dealing with a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. We have the Virgo here, Cancer here. Cancer, very prominent because we have that twice. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. This could be Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, Leo. Okay. For most of you, see, sun signs could be any, but these sun signs are prominent. Even a Virgo. As far as your career is concerned, oh my god, look at this. We have the Page of Wands, Sun and Pentacles. You're going to enjoy some good moments now in your career. This is success. Like some of you literally wished for something and you're going to get that. This could be a new job, a new business, new projects coming your way. Some of you're being asked to put efforts, like you literally want something, especially this could be a job, but you're not exploring. You're being asked to explore because there is something waiting for you, something beautiful, but you will get that only if you look for that. Like you are being asked to talk to people around you. You're being asked to approach HR, talk to people around you, or look for a new job, look for new projects, because I think something beautiful is waiting for you. Some of you are literally heading towards this beautiful phase. Look at this. We have the Sun and Ace of Pentacles. A strong commitment coming your way. Sun. Something that you literally wished for at one point in time, you're going to get that. Okay? You're just being asked to put efforts. Okay? Look for these opportunities. It's somewhere around you. Maybe you have to talk to people around you. Maybe you have to talk to the HR. You have to approach some people because something is waiting for you. This is beautiful, Aries. This is monetary gains. Okay, you were literally waiting for something in your life and you are going to have that. So let's see, guys, what love messages do we have for you. We'll see what does your person think about you. Okay, so what do they think about you? What would they want to tell you? Okay, this came. Balance yourself. Don't miss the activities that cheer you up. So some of you, you're being asked to focus on some activities that really gives you some happiness. Like focus on yourself. Do things that you love the most. You're being asked to focus on yourself. Like could be some outdoor activities, could be some things that you really love, Aries. Okay, so maybe spend time with your family, friends, children, go out for long walks. I'm going to reach out to you. Didn't I just say this person is going to reach out to you, Aries? And this is their message. You know, some of you feel that this person sees you, they see you as somebody who has stopped talking to people around you. See, they have isolated themselves, but I think some of you, you too have isolated yourself. Now this is what this person feels. So they want you to cheer up, they want you to go out, talk to people around you, talk to your friends, go out with your friends. This person wants you to be happy. Okay, and the second message is I'm going to reach out to you, they're going to call you. So expect a message and call, Aries. They're going to come and talk to you. Okay, expect a call, expect a message. I told you right when I started, they're going to call, message. What else? Any message from my Aries? Okay, see these two cards. Show the world the real you. So some of you, I think you're trying to hide your real emotions. Like you literally have love, but you're not showing it, okay? You're trying to hide your feelings. You're being asked to open up. For the others of you, it's time to release negativity. Some of you, you're thinking negative. Alright, you're thinking negative. You're thinking that this relationship won't work out. Could be thinking negative about this person. Alright, now this could be you're stuck with some negative people, or could be that you're thinking negative nowadays, off lately. This could be in connection to this person or this relationship. Whatever it is, it's time to release the negativity, okay? Be positive, think positive. This person is not going anywhere. This is your happiness and they're not going anywhere. Okay, they have chosen you. You are being asked to show your emotions. If you really care, you really love, open up, okay? Talk it out. Spend time with this person. Have some heart-to-heart conversations. You're being asked to do that, Aries, okay? Yeah. So that was that, guys. I really hope this helps and resonates. And if this does, I would request you to please like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much, you guys. You guys take care. Be safe. Bye.